Former Senator Antonio Trillanes warns of an ouster plot against President Bongbong Marcos. Trillanes claims that there are ongoing attempts from no less than the Duterte camp to remove Marcos from power.
Dito po sa kampo nila Duterte, yung ouster plot po, all options on the table po yan. Pwedeng people power, withdrawal of support, kudita, rebellion, impeachment, ko ano man. Basta ang bottom line is makabalik sila sa poder.
The former senator adds that the plotters have been trying to recruit support from the armed forces. According to Trillanes, 2 high-ranking PNP officials allegedly involved in the plot have been identified.
Lukewarm ang reaction sa kanila kasi talagang wala namang valid reason or justifiable reason for any military intervention against President Marcos.
Yeah, when they talked about this, supposedly the Davao group are supposed to be officials from the Davao group, high-ranking officials are part of this. But syempre si Senator Bato de la Rosa claim na hindi naman totoo yun.
Oh, there's no truth to
yeah,
this.
But kasi ang sabi kasi niya is long time ago is Pangulong Duterte, former President Duterte is just very close to his officials. So when he was meeting with retired officials, ang sabi niya nagkaroon lang ng kulay ang pag-meet niya. But also remember, if you remember, in the months ago, si AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner also came out and said na they support the president, and then about the coup rumors, nagkaka-loyalty check daw, hindi naman daw totoong may ganon. A lot of reports have been coming out in the past.
Sabi nga nung spokesperson ng PNP din,
Yeah.
on their side naman,
Wala.
sabi niya, we remain apolitical. Yun
Yeah,
ang sabi
oo.
nila. So, until makita natin na mayroong mangyayari, then yun nga. Kaya sabi nila, Trillanes strikes back daw, kaya nagbabalik na siya.